Snow White.
Snow White. Who's
Baby Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty?
Belle helps out.
Belle helps out.
Dress.
And so your what else did the Easter Bunny bring you? What's this? It's a figurine. Wow.
Wow. Presents. Cool.
A necklace.
A presents. Cool.
Princess Band-Aids for your owies. Mm-hmm. Is that exciting? We can put them on your owies.
Okay.
Okay. What else? What else did the Easter Bunny bring you?
A copy.
Ooh, something to put our snacks in.
Yeah. It'll open up night, Mommy.
Wow, a book to draw in.
Yeah.
What are those?
Whoa, what a present.
Ooh, what is that?
Crayons to draw with.
Crayons to draw with in the bathtub. That's going to be fun.
Were those stickers, Lily?
No.
Do you have any princess stickers? Ooh, bless you. Ooh, bless you. Do you want to try on your necklace? Do you want to put on your necklace?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A pretty skirt.
What else is in your Easter basket, Lily?
Necklace. Necklace.
You can wear a necklace like Mommy has a necklace on? Yeah, you got your very own necklace.
Yeah.
Ooh, who's this on there? Who's that? You want to put your necklace on?
What a necklace.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What else did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Hey.
What is that? A new movie?
Yeah.
That's Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Wonderland.
Mm-hmm. A new movie to watch.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
What you got? What you got? What else do you have in there?
Ah.
What are those?
Princesses.
Princesses. All the princesses. Look at that.
Oh.
Those stickers?
Yeah.
Oh.